Okay, so I'm a little too lazy to like set everything up. We're just gonna do a quick like view of us increasing our VO2 max, being coached by ChatGPT. So let's actually do that right now. I know this is like so jank, but whatever. So I typed in this right here, or let's start at the beginning. I'm on day 16 and it seems my VO2 max hasn't moved much. It's at 37.5 right now. Can you tell me more about, or can I tell you more about myself to create a more personalized training path? And they gave some questions which I mostly ignored. And then I just told it this, basically. I feel like I'm currently weak overall, but have decent strength features or feats. I'm able to do around 14 max pull-ups at the current moment. All-time max has been 19 push-ups. I've done 68 in a row before. My max net right now is probably around 35. Running 1 mile usually makes me breathe hard, and my knee starts hurting if I run any more than that. And then I said I like calisthenics, and I've done tumbling gymnastics before, but I don't feel safe if I don't have a gymnasium. I also used to dance or breakdance, so I have decent upper body strength. I feel like my legs are weaker since I don't do too many leg exercises these days. And I used to be able to do flares. Can still do sloppy flares. I still prefer to keep workouts under 45 minutes if possible, but let me know what you think is the optimal way to increase VO2 max based on all of what I said. And this is what they said. Given my background, they're creating a hybrid VO2 max plan based around intense cardio bursts, functional calisthenics, leg strengthening. Why it will work for me, it's shorter, so it won't hurt my knees. Increasing leg strength will help my knees, and upper body just maintenance and efficiency with keeping it under 45 minutes. And from here on, I haven't read what it said, so I'm kind of curious. It seems like there's only one rest day now. Okay. Active recovery, no, there's still 2. Okay, still 2 rest days. Flares, it wants me to actually do flares. Well, maybe I shouldn't have mentioned that. Okay. Either way, it's a Sunday right now. You can see it right there. And I will do this starting tomorrow. So it's almost like a little bit of a reset. Maybe I can even just consider this like the real deal for the 30-day challenge, because I kind of feel like the first 2 weeks I used their workout, but it was like based on nothing. It was just based on the fact that I wanted to increase my VO2 max. I'm actually inputting like what I can do. So let's see. But just to look at it ahead of time, here's a sprinting thing. It seems like airborne lunges. What does that mean? Oh, like jumping lunges? You have some wall sits and stuff like that. They're definitely changing it up, which makes it more fun. Upper body strength, max pull-ups, push-up pyramid. Interesting. Hanging knee raises again. Some of the same exercises. We'll try to change it up. Active recovery, power plus tempo combo, 2-minute run at a hard but controlled pace. Okay. And then we have jumping squats. I don't think I'm gonna do jumping squats, to be honest. I feel like they're not good for my knees. I'm gonna ask it to change that into a leg exercise that's a bit safer for the knees. And then they have some L-sit holds, actually. Sloppy flare practice. Yeah, I don't think I'll do too many flares just because I feel like, I don't know. I feel like doing safer exercises. I feel like if I were to do flares, there's like a high chance I end up injuring like my wrist or my leg or something like that. But yeah, we'll tell ChatGPT. Like right now, I'm feeling like I just want to increase VO2 max and optimize that. If I ever want to get back into like dancing and all that stuff, that'll be a different challenge. Okay, warm up, workout, 2-minute run plus 1-minute walk. So they're changing it to 2-minute run instead of 1-minute run and then 2-minute walk, which is probably better, honestly. And then progression, increase run time by 30 seconds every 2 weeks. I want to ask it, like, how much do you think I can increase VO2 max in 30 days from 37.5 with this training regimen? With consistent effort and proper recovery, you can expect to increase your VO2 max by 5 to 15% over 30 days. Starting at 37.5, that means you can realistically increase it to 39.5 to 43 by the end of the month. The exact increase depends on a few key factors: consistency, intensity control, gotta push myself, leg strength, more efficient running, reducing fatigue and improving endurance, recovery quality, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep, proper hydration, and protein-rich diet. That's right, I gotta drink my protein shakes. I haven't done that since I came to Tokyo. Okay, baseline fitness. Since you already have a decent base, you may experience quicker improvements. I doubt that, since it's been stagnant for a while. And what to expect week by week. Okay, well, let's just try our best and see how it goes. We obviously have been stagnant with this, but at least now we're trying to tell ChatGPT like more about ourselves, so they can create more of a personalized workout, which is the whole point of like a fitness trainer. Not to give general advice, but to actually like work with their client, which is, I guess, what we're trying to do. Yeah, I'm tired. I just woke up, even though it's late. Okay. Yeah. Let's just consider this the new phase. Like, we spent 2 weeks, 2 weeks and a half, I'd say. This is basically week 3, but we just haven't been. We've only done like 2 workouts since we got to Tokyo, so it's just been hectic, super hectic transitioning. So I feel like we should just start this all over. We'll mention this obviously in the main video, like how we're starting over, but I feel like this is probably a better beginning, and it fits way more with actually using AI and actually using AI, not just like looking at a random workout plan online, which is basically what we did in the beginning. Like, ChatGPT just generated that. Okay, that's it for this one. I'm so tired. What the heck? Okay, but I think I'll just do some light training today to prepare for the training we start tomorrow. I'm gonna check out the gym or something that's in this share house. All right, tomorrow's sprinting. Okay. All right, that's it for this one. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.